Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on Gold Monthly, I do think this is a 1, an ABC of 2. I believe this is a big wave 3, ABC of 4, and I do believe we are trending up for a wave 5. We are going to have a monthly candle close in a couple days, and I still think that this candle is going to close up near its highs. I still think that we have a long ways to go to the upside to finish off this trend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you definitely got to kind of squish this down a little bit so you can kind of see this whole pattern. But on the weekly, I do believe that this is a 1, I believe this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. Like I've been saying for quite some time now, a wave 3 needs to be beyond 100% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, because a wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So if we really are in a wave 3, that means that we have a long ways to go to the upside. I think we're going to go all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels to finish off this uptrend. So, if that's true, we definitely want to continue to primarily look for longs on shorter time frames. Now, going down to the daily time frame, we've definitely been consolidated for a long time now. You will see that price did break structure to the downside, but it never was able to close and really prove that the uptrend is over. It definitely spiked below structure, but to me, I definitely think the trend is still up, and I still think it's more likely to just keep on going up. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, as you go down to these sort of time frames, it definitely turns into a little bit of a messy pattern. We've been in this channel now for almost 2 weeks, it seems like, but there is a little bit of clarity to it. I definitely see a downtrend, looks like an A. This move up right here did break structure, which makes me think it's a B, and I definitely see a downtrend that looks like a wave C. Now, it's definitely not trending up very hard yet, but I still think that it's more likely to continue the uptrend. And like I said when I was on the monthly, I think that monthly candle will close near its highs, telling me that within today or tomorrow, I think we will have a pretty good push to the upside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, definitely a little messy on these sort of time frames. Very consolidating, very overlapping. But a correction is supposed to be overlapping, and that's pretty much what a correction is. According to the higher time frames, I do think the trend is up, and I do believe that the best strategy for us is to just continue to look for long entries at the end of any pullback that we may see on the shorter time frames. So anytime I see a pullback, especially if it's like a three-wave pullback like that right there, or like this right here, that is definitely the trades that I'm looking for the continuation of this uptrend. All the higher time frames are definitely telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for long entries at the end of any ABC pullbacks that I may see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.